Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to Crypto Wealth YouTube channel. Here we give you ideas, information on how to do research to make an investment decisions concerning crypto. And today you'll be talking about what you can do in the bear market. As we all know, the market is crashing. Everywhere is crashing. Even the stock market is crashing, all because of the Russian, Ukraine, and US news, and also the FOMC, the Federal Reserve of the US, are contemplating maybe they should increase the rate or leave it the way it is or decrease the rates. This news is coming. This week is gonna be a very, very busy week, so you have to open your eyes and learn how to trade. I want to show you how to read the chart today. I know many of us will read the chart. I use this stockcharts.com. I use this chart, and I tell you, if you are able to read the chart, you will have known that a day like this will come. Now look at this place. This is December 27th. Yeah, this is December last year. Because you can see here the market, okay, let's look at this place. This is the blue line you are looking at is the 50 MA. The red line is the 200 MA. Whenever this red candle crosses this 50 MA downward, it's very dangerous. It's a bearish mode. Whenever the white candle crosses over it to the top, crosses over it upward, it's a bullish mode. And this one you are looking at is the RSI. RSI works with the candle and it shows the market strength, and the oversold and the overbought. Right now we have to the overbought level. If you see, it is at 25. When it crosses this 50 line, then it is very dangerous. When it crosses it up, that is bullish. When it crosses it down, that is bearish, as you can see. And if you look at this place, now, compare it to this place, you see down that they correspond. Look at how it has been coming. It's coming down. It went up a bit here. You can see the effect here. And right now it came back down and we are here. So now, if you know all these things, as this market is down, if you look at it, it has formed an hammer here, and this is the one down here. This is a MACD. This is a MACD. This blue, this red and black line is a MACD. You can see it's still in the bearish mode. This is the volume. The volume is this historic bar. The historical bars, they are low volume, but the volume is coming up so. But right now we are in the bearish mode. What you should check right now, when this MACD changes this position from this downward and it starts going up, and this RSI changes position and it's from this 25 and it starts moving up, you need to start placing your trade bit by bit. You can be doing dollar cost average. Immediately you see it moving up. Many people are thinking that we are going back to 20,000. It's possible actually, because if the FOMC comes out and on Wednesday and they decide the negative way, the market might continue tanking, and they are also trying to tighten the monetary policies so the inflations will not eat up the United States and the world. So now it's a very tricky situation, but you can maneuver it by looking at this chart. Right now it's bearish mode. It's bearish mode. I will not advise you to get in right now, but when this RSI starts moving from this place we are right now, from this 25, and let's say it's getting to 35, you can start placing your trade small. I tell you, you can ride it to 100 that way. Just imagine if you have been placing trades of like 50 US dollars every week from this $35, and you ride it to, let's say, $70,000. You know how much you're gonna make. Now look at the RSI here. It was oversold here, this green part, and you see the market was high before it comes down again. So you have to know how to read all these charts, and if you know how to read charts, if you can read the chart now you can now be talking about leveraging your trades on websites like Binance, on websites like BitMEX. You start small. When you start practicing this and you know it, you can leverage your trade. If you have lost in the bear market, you can use your $100 to take your money, to get your money back using leverage. That is only if you know how to read this chart very well. Once it crosses this blue line, that means the market has come back to the chase to shape and is going. Once this one crosses 50 here, it's a very strong bullish signals. All these things, that's how you get to know where the market is going. Some people, I know some people, immediately it crosses this 50, this 200 MA, the red line. Sorry, immediately it crosses the red line. I know some people, they have been, sorry about that. I know some people, they have been shorting since that time because they know that this thing is going down. And for me, just imagine if you have shorted it, Bitcoin, from 48,000 here, and you ride it to this place, you know that it's a big opportunity to make money in the market. Some people, they've known about it. Some people, they have seen it here, that the RSI has crossed down the 50 line and it's moving downward to the oversold area, and they have been shorting the market since that time. You can short on Binance, you can short on BitMEX, you can short on FTX, you can short all these cryptocurrencies on almost all the exchanges. You have to learn that. So you have, most importantly, you have to know how to read the charts. It's very important. So you not be saying, we are going to 100,000 this year, we are going to 100,000 this year, when you see the chart is saying otherwise. This is technical analysis. It is very important to know. If you are enjoying this video, if you have learned one or two things in this video, please press the subscribe button and hit the like button. Share with your friends so your friends can also know about this technical analysis and how to read the market as the market moves up and down, as market responds to news and all that. So right now, let me just go over it again. The line upward up here. This is the RSI. This is the RSI. This calculates the strength of the market. When it crosses 50 above, is a bullish sign. When it crosses 50 downward, it is a bearish sign. You should note that. It's at overbought right now. It can start coming up anytime from now, but that will depend on the FOMC news and other news that is coming out concerning Russia, Ukraine, the US. We have to be at alert. This is the blue line, is the 50 MA. When it crosses the 50 MA downward, is a bearish signal. When it crosses the 50 MA upward, it's a bullish signal. As you've seen here, it crosses it downward, and since then it has been coming. And when it gets to the 200 MA, when it crosses the 200 MA, it's even worse. So you can see it has really gone downward. So as you can see here, we are in bearish mode, and it's still coming to 48 and gets to 67. And I tell you, whenever you see a chart like this, this is the highest point so far, like 60, 69. It's still coming back there, and it's possible that this year the market will get to 100,000. It's very possible, because when it dips like this, it gets to the all-time high like it did in 2020/2021. You have to just know how to read the chart. This is how you can escape the bearish market, and this is how you can make your money back in the bearish market. When you know all these things, you can do dollar cost averaging, or start using leverage or margin to get your money back and make profit. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.